What is a birth chart?
A birth chart, also known as a natal chart, is basically a map of where all the planets were in their journey around the sun at the exact moment you were born. It's kind of like a cosmic snapshot of the sky when you took your first breath. In astrology, this chart is used to give insights into your personality, your strengths and challenges, and even the timing of certain events in your life. It includes details about which zodiac signs and which houses each planet was in at your time of birth. And from that, astrologers can create a pretty detailed interpretation of what makes you, well, you.
Why is it important to know your natal chart?
Well, a lot of people find knowing their natal chart super malleable because it's kind of like getting a deeper user manual for yourself. It gives you insights into your personality, your strengths, the areas where you might face challenges, and the kind of life themes that might keep popping up for you. It's important because it can help with self-awareness. When you understand your chart, you often understand your motivations, your emotional needs, and even your relationship patterns a lot better. It's like having a roadmap that can guide you through life decisions, career choices, and personal growth. And for some, it's just a fun and enlightening way to connect with themselves on a deeper level. So it can be a really handy tool for self-discovery and personal development.
Which aspects in a natal chart helps you focus on personal fashion style?
Oh, absolutely. So if you're looking to your natal chart for a little personal fashion inspiration, there are definitely some fun places to check out. Your Venus sign is a big one because Venus rules beauty, aesthetics, and your sense of style. The sign that Venus is in can give you clues about the kind of fashion you're drawn to and what makes you feel beautiful. For example, a Venus in Leo might love bold, glamorous looks, while Venus in Taurus might go for more earthy, comfortable, and luxurious styles. You can also look at your rising sign or ascendant, since that's kind of the vibe you naturally give off and how you like to present yourself. The sign on your ascendant can influence your overall look or the kind of clothing that feels like you. And you might also peek at your first house because that's all about your self-image and how you come across physically. Any planets there can add some flavor to your style as well. So Venus, your ascendant, and the first house are a great trio to start with if you're on a fashion journey through your chart.